Shit is but to get real. Gomale sadre, ay, shit is but to get real. Mumble pana ma pare ni better not dead it. Dete kutte porde. Wata talra bare. Tupu van blere. I'm straight out of suit got it. Boga porde.
Welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. I wish you guys a happy Diwali. This in between the Durga Puja series. It's all because that I want to post more than what I really do post, and it's been a very long time I have been posting, and 2025 was very low in what I usually post in a year. In order to catch up, in order to do more content about what it is, I'm here today in Diwali telling you about more about my gadgets which I have. And one of the best thing which I have is the mic which I got recently, and it is from Digitek, a Digitek mic setup, which is this one, a Digitek mic setup. This is the Digitek mic. It comes with two receivers and one is connected here, and this one is the mic. So I wanted to show you guys this mic. And yes guys, this mic helps me record new things, normal budget friendly mic only, so which I got, and it is pretty much handy. It looks nice, it has a clip. More about this is mentioned. It's good, and it's having a very long lasting battery, and which I like that, which was helpful entirely shooting the Durga Puja series, which was nice actually speaking. So this is one thing. Else than that, in the description link you down with the details of this mic which I just got. And yes guys, it is a wireless mic which I am shooting right now with my iPhone itself. It's pretty good. So today's Diwali is pretty much low. Me and my attai had a very small super snack in the morning, which was Diwali's thing, and she made some sweets for me. That is also one thing which happened. And no firecrackers, because it's been a while I have been doing that. It's not me. I enjoy others busting crackers, so that is one thing. Me busting crackers, no. I see busting crackers, so enjoy them doing it. Bust your crackers safely, and make sure to bust crackers. Do not say that I will not bust crackers, eco-friendly. So please bust crackers and enjoy the entire Diwali का full fun. हमारी तरफ से आज 4 पटाखा ज़्यादा फटाए. And for all my Bengali friends, I want to say Happy Kali Pujo. And to all my South Indian family and friends, I want to say Iniya Diwali Tirunal Nalvalthikal. Hope you guys are subscribed. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and support. Now you can see the firecracker busting thing which is happening in our apartments, which are in our locality. And check these videos guys.
Oh. ভাই এটা তুমি আমাকে পাঠাবে রান্না নো নো দিস ইজ ভাই দিস ইজ ভেরি ইনস্টেন্ট তুমি এটা ইনস্টাগ্রামে দিতে পারবে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ওয়ে ওয়ে
Yes, Diwali is sorted, guys. I hope you guys also had a very safe, super duper Diwali, and everybody is safe and happy. The next event is upcoming, I think so. Christmas is coming, New Year is coming, 2026 is coming. So more a couple. More accomplishment needs to be done. More of videos will be coming out in Blink next year. This is in between the Durga Puja series, because Durga Puja series needs more editing. Rather than in this, I wanted to wish you all and stay connected with you all. So I wanted to show you guys the day Diwali is not much celebrated from my end, rather than what just happened. Like, it's a daily thing which I wanted to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have enjoyed, please do hit that like and hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. So that is one mandate thing. Until then, I'll be seeing you guys in another video. The day 2 of Durga Puja is also coming pretty much soon. So stay tuned, and I'm really sorry to post delayed because it needs editing. I'm the only person there. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. And I hope you guys are all safe and had a good Diwali. I wish you all a happy Diwali.
Easy spring
And,
para poder,
yes,
ayy.
guys.
Pona enchi ara poder. Let the kute, rabo with it. For my ups at the party. Shit is but it get real. Goma le sadri, ayy. Shit is but it get real. Mumble Panama party ni better not dare it. Let the kute party. Wata talra bare. Tupu vam blere. I'm straight out of suit got it. Both that port and I'm mad.